doing a little review of our doubles plus ones. So we are just going to count the pictures to find the answer. So let's start with the whales. Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. So 8 plus 9 is 17. Now let's do 3 plus 4. Let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 7. The answer is 7. And these little shrimp guys, 6 plus 7, let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. 4 plus 5, let's do the stars. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And the last one, the little squid looking guy, 7 plus 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. All right, boys and girls. On the back, we have some dog bones. And these are all double plus ones. So I'm going to do a few of them with you. And then I'm going to have you do the rest on your own. So 5 plus 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. One more is 11. 4 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. One more is 7. 7 plus 8. If we have 7 plus 7 is 14. One more is 15. 9 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, so one more is 17. 8 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14, so one more is 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. All right, now I want you to try the rest on your own. You can either use your number lane, or you can catch and count, or you can use the double strategy. Then I want you to put your name on it and turn it into your teacher and start Dreambox. So finish the rest of this paper. Don't turn it in until it's done.